Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change on your ad in the AutoScout24. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the AutoScout24 app. On the bottom in the menu bar you have to tap on the last one, the selling, and here you can see your ad. If you tap on this pencil item, then you can change details about your ad. Here you can see vehicle details, and on the bottom you can see this edit. If you tap on it, you can add some more details or to change some details. For example, to accept it, you have to tap on the top right corner and tap on save. If you are ready with the changes, tap on publish and the ad is changed. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.